So students, now we have to deal with the areas that block our self-esteem. See, there are many factors that block our self-esteem, and we have to look into it so that if those factors come in our way, we have to work in overcoming those hindrances. So, one way or the other, there are many things which obstruct the self-esteem of a person. Let us look at the signs of low self-esteem. It covers 5 areas. So first of all is about the body. There are some complaints about our body, if we are fat or too thin, or if we are bulky, if we have low height, greater height than the average. So all these factors become a reason for low self-esteem. Then about the mind, like if we start thinking that nobody wants us, we are useless, and the persons love another person, my parents love my sibling and they don't love me, so all such things come into our mind. Then there is about emotions, like there are some people who are always unhappy, who are not happy with life, they are often complaining, they are not satisfied with what they have. Like in the first chapter I told you, count your blessings, don't count whatever you don't have, count what you have. So these emotions like I don't have anything and such things become hindrances. Then failures. All of us might have suffered failures. Like I'm telling you my example. Sorry, I'm a bit unwell, therefore you have to bear with me. Like in class, when I was in class 3, 4 and so, in those earlier classes I used to fail. Like in quarterly I used to fail, then I used to struggle and jaise taise I used to, means anyhow I used to pass in annuals. But after I came to Carmel school, I came to Carmel school in my 5th class, and from there my new journey started, and from there I started to top in the class. I was the first till 10th, or even in 12th I say I was the topper. So these all things count. So there are times in our life when we are failures, we fail. But there are also times in our life when we achieve what we want to achieve. So these failures are also areas that block our self-esteem. And then there is behavioral pattern. Like some of us are very short-tempered, जल्दी गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, जल्दी रो देते हैं, feeling shy, or they are like fearful of teasing and all. So these all factors are there which block our self-esteem. So I'll read it out for you all. Body, complaints about your body, its complexion or skin texture, shape of the nose, eyes, height, weight, teeth, hair. So all these factors, these block our self-esteem. Then about the mind, feelings such as nobody wants me, no one loves me, nobody likes me. It may not be true, still mind is restless with these thoughts. Then emotions, always unhappy, only complaints, burst out often, severe hatred in mind, suppressed feelings, anger, hatred, fear, sorrow. So these emotions block our self-esteem. Then failures, always thinking of failures or sad events. Like there are some who always think of the failures. Life becomes miserable due to thoughts like I failed, such a thing happened to me. Why such things happened to me? He deceived me, no more escape. I did not expect that he will do like that. Such a thing happened to me because of me. Like always we are blaming and thinking of ourselves as a failure. So all these will block our self-esteem. Then there is behavioral patterns. Speak and act with a judgment without knowing a person. Like we are too prejudicial. We start acting without knowing the person. Harsh talks, teasing, looks down, feeling shy, not appearing in front of others, always preferring back seat. Like some students who always prefer back seat. They are generally called as backbenchers. So in my college life, I preferred those back seats, but in my school life, I was always trying to sit in the front row. Then finding fault with others, excess criticizing and justifying. Criticizing means blaming, and in the actual sense, if you go in criticizing, is finding the faults as well as the praise. तारीफ और बुराई दोनों किसी चीज के अगर निकालते हैं तो एक्चुअल क्रिटिसिज्म वो होता है. टॉकिंग स्वीट एक्सटर्नली एंड चीटिंग थ्रू एक्शन, मतलब बाहर से अच्छा मीठा मीठा बात करना और अंदर से किसी को चीट करना. लीव इन रिवेंज एंड हेट्रेड. So these are some behavioral patterns which will block our self-esteem. So it's better for us to get rid of all these things. हमको इन सब चीजों से फ्री होना है. So if you want to be free, first of all you have to draw a self-esteem graph for yourself. What are the areas that block your self-esteem? So here a situation is given and you have to draw a graph for that situation. When I face a difficult task, I tend to do what? When I am in competition with others, I tend to. So you just go through it and you have to draw this activity. Clear?